subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Thank you, Bharat. Thank you, our panelist members. First, I would like to pray the Almighty and my Gurus. We are having a leader because I would like to tell my own experience. I have seen physically since I born from the state of Tamil Nadu. From my school days starts with 1967 Hindi agitation. And I have seen with my limited knowledge when I am in the primary school, the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Till today, I'm in count, if I take around, he is the 11th Prime Minister. I'm seeing with my life experience, I'm seeing one person today whom we are having. He is seeing the country as a country, not from the state or community from him he came for that. He is seeing the country without the caste, religion or language. It is a nation. Wherever he goes, he gives importance to that culture, tradition, system, everything. So I pray the Almighty on the auspicious date of his birthday, 17th. My Gurus, let him have a very long life to lead us and visualize this country in a global top market. Sir, you asked questions on the business community point of view. I have seen in my personal experience, more than the public view, I am very, very sorry to say with a great respect and great regards to the media. The media judiciary is much stronger on so many things on spreading the message. As a country, I am seeing, in 1991, I was the earlier period started my practice and Narasimha Rao has taken the government, the balance of payment is bad. We have to transfer our gold to get money. We are not having money. After 1 week back, we are telling in this 100 years, this is the highest reserves available in foreign currency in this country. So I have seen this both the ends. So that time what we have done, this country needs a system. I'm seeing from the system, I'm not seeing from the parties, which should have a good taxation system. And this country, there is only one set of people are paying taxes, the manufacturing sector. Only 1993, they brought a service tax. That time itself, we promised the world. Within a period of 6 to 7 years, we will bring a integrated GST system. Original document with Rajesh Chalaya committee, if you see, the country has to introduce the VAT system, both for goods and services, at least from 1997 onwards. But there is no political willpower to introduce. I can say there is no political willpower to introduce. In his maiden attempt, he has introduced. People can talk today, GST collection, the loss made to the state is not come, we have not given to that equal share, all these things. That is because of the environmental situation, world economy, recession, all these things. But today, as a business community, you see how many returns you file in a month. Today, you have to file only one GST return.
Yes.
Instead of 17 returns, one GST return. But our medias are writing 17 forms he has to file. One law, 17 forms are for 17 different kind of people, not for the same people. 17 different set of people who is having turnover like this. So that is a very, very, I can appreciate the bringing the GST is the very strong willpower. But any law which comes new, which has to settle its own because of the environmental changes, because we are bringing a law, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, considering the each economic of the state to bring a uniform opinion at the uniform rate of tax. That is more important. Tamil Nadu may be consuming paddy. Paddy is rice is my important material. I should have a lesser tax. But when I go to Punjab, wheat is the important material. Tamil Nadu government may levy more tax on wheat, Punjab government may levy more tax on rice, but now I have to bring both the government to a uniform rate. So somewhere that is a rate problem. But even in that situation, I can challenge with anybody, let them sow one single commodity is more tax than what it was taxed before the GST regime. So the government has taken that much care when they are bringing the rate of tax on GST. I can appreciate. But initial teething problem, technology problem, everything is there that is universally accepted. Any change will have a resistance. Any change will have initial teething problems. So compliance-wise or administration of system-wise, it is tolerable. For the government is also giving relaxation, timings, extended timings, etc. This is one area I want to congratulate this government. Second important thing, even as a businessman, you said you are in business for almost 3 decades. You want to know where your cash is.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
You want your auditor to check up whether the cash balance kept in your cashier hands and your manager hands and suspend hands are properly accounted and properly day-to-day perfectly done. But as a country, I go on printing since independence. No point of time I don't have any verification of cash, whether all the cash printed is where it is lying. Forget about demonetization, removing the black money, bringing the system or removing the, what I can say that money which is forfeited money, all these things. But what I would like to say, only one important point here is, today the government know because of the demonetization scheme, where the money is taken, where the money from it is coming inside. Because everything is now technological control. Before that, all are in books, where it goes, which bank, only in the figures we know. Now we know who is taking how much. Secondly, I want in this country interruption-free electricity, 24/7 electricity, well-potable water, free education, very good roads. Everything is needed, but I'm not willing to pay my tax. That's what I'm telling. These 3 letters, the society is not liking. So many things we are changing. The 3 letters, whether it is a direct tax or indirect tax, if it is called tax, you are not liking. It is a word to be removed from the dictionary. This is what every citizen in every country feels. So I used to tell the government, don't call it as a tax. Change the new name. Consumption fee or user-oriented fees. I am giving military protection, military-oriented fee, this much I am spending for that, this is your share. Internal security, this is your share. I am building this much of electricity facilities, this much. Because people thinking tax means I am stealing from you, I am punishing from you, I am taking from you. Sorry. Why I am telling this word? When the demonetization introduced, I was the most happiest person, and so many TV interviews I answered. This is necessary not from the point of view of whether considering the black money which is going to be settled or not, but it's I know where my money is on particular date it is there. From that day I can have a fresh to control that money. That willpower decision. See, it needs a strong willpower. Because a prime minister is taking a decision, he is risking the government in the hands of the people. People will react even negatively. But I salute my people who has given the second chance for him to do more things like this. So this is the very, very important move as a leader he has taken, I can tell. Recently, I can tell. Faceless assessment, e-assessment, if you tell how it is going to happen. Anything new come, we will tell how it is going to happen. Today, I gone through the recent notifications of the faceless assessment, both direct tax and indirect tax. As Madam Sujata Raman told me, less litigation. If I go through the whole provision, applying the single mind to a group of mind, Applying a single mind, taking a decision on a particular taxpayer case to a group of mind applying their views on the assessment case, then taking, and so many opportunities to reduce the litigation. Because if you see the intention of the writing of the faceless assessment procedures, I'm able to understand as a 34 years experienced chartered accountant, they want to reduce the litigation to the minimum. Everything they want to settle at the initial stages of assessment level itself. Like that, the system is created. But the system has to be successful. We public has to support. The responsibility is on our hands. Government can only bring a better system. So this is the another thing which I come across and which I am so happy on that view. Because I'm considering not only as a chartered accountant, accounts, finance point of view, I'm seeing from the broader economical point of view. As rightly said, health is more important. See, this is the first Prime Minister in his first year. Two things he considered. Swachh Bharat, insurance, medical insurance and life insurance for the needy people. See, I can say with 30 rupees medical insurance and 330 rupees of life insurance for 2 lakhs protection and medical insurance protection. In my experience, I will tell you, in my experience, I convinced so many industrialists to take that policy for their employees. I have convinced so many of my friends and relatives convinced to take that policy for their housemaid servants working in their houses. Because it is the best scheme which has been brought in for the downtrodden of this country. They should not suffer on their life-saving earnings on medicals, or the family should not suffer if some earning member is lost as a citizen. Because I want to give you certain statistics. See, we are seeing in India, everything whenever we are comparing, I have seen in the channels, you compare US, you compare Germany, you compare UK. What is the UK population? Sir, I am having more than 3 times of the whole Europe population. My population is almost more than 3 times of the Europe population. My population is almost 2.5 times of the US population, 3 times of the US population. Today, in this COVID situation, when the finance minister announced and they have extended the free food for 80 crore people, we are going to give food. My heart was filling with joy. How much resources my country is having? 80 crore people, 5 kgs of rice and 1 kg of I can give dal for 7 months. From March to November, almost 8 months I can give free, which is almost double of the US population, which is more than 3 times of the Euro population, and we are comparing UK, almost 20 times of the UK populations. That much of size of the population, I'm able to give free food on a challenging situation. How much is this country is having the resources which has been taken a decision to give? People want more. People can speak in media, you give this much, that much, because human wants are unlimited. The satisfaction of one wants gives always rise to another one. This is what the economic theory written even 500 years back. But needy hours, how the need has been given is the right decision which has been taken. That's what I would like to put on the paper on this aspect today. Another important thing. Today, I'm not able to see, even in Tamil Nadu, up to 2013-14, I have seen the villages having 8 to 10 hours power cut. Chennai city, even 3 hours power cut, I have seen 4 hours power cut. Today, I am not able to see continuously 1 hour power cut except once in 6 months or 1 year maintenance date. Where it has risen. Sir, we are having a resources. Whatever Prime Minister told is absolutely right. world best human being. Any point of time we want to ready to work. I am seeing a prime minister who is willing, who is working for 18 hours. I know my citizen. In this country, only nobody will see. Overtime means employees will go on work. And only in this country, other person sleeping time, we are working in midnight for American sleeping time. Our information technology industry is working on European sleeping time and US sleeping time. When others are sleeping, Yasutteshu Jagrati. It is our institute, CA Institute's motivation. But I would like to tell what is told in Ramayana, in Aditya Hridaya. The sun is always wake up when the whole world is sleeping. When Indians are waking up and working for the growth of the country, which we have seen. But what I would like to say here, when we are working, the resources are pooled, the resources are channelized, the decisions are being taken. I can tell in my last 6 years experience, I had interacted with the finance ministry, I had interacted with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, I interacted with the Ministry of Commerce, regular interaction with these three ministries. In my comparison with the earlier, in these last 6 years of experience, whenever we go with the challenging situation, this is required. I have seen the attitude in the officials dealing. Okay, you told the problem. You please tell us what is the solution. Don't tell one solution. Tell 3 or 4 solutions with the pros and cons. When I give with the 3 or 4 solutions with pros and cons, within a week time, one of the solution we thought as the best will be coming as a notification. One of the best solution which is coming as a circular. With a highly thought process, highest thought process, with no violation of law or without giving any benefit to the known or wanted people, taking the country. So many examples I can give. Even recently, the government extended the time for filing of this AGM. How much thought process immediately? Oh, this power is not with the government. This power is with the local register of companies. Instructed all the 29 register of companies of all the state. Please take action. And you should ensure that before 8th of September, the notification should come. Government watched. All the register of companies issued a notification. So why I'm telling, there is a follow-up exercise. Not only taking decision, there is a follow-up exercise. Whether it is reaching to the particular people or particular community, the benefit is arrived or not. So really good. This is one side I'm seeing from the angle, from the economic point of view. Other thing I would like to share, very, very important. Very, very important. How many of you know, Madam Raman is there, she knows. For knowledge of law, for a common citizen, there is a site called India Code, which is an updated site. The library of books, they encourage through Kharagpur. More than so many lakhs of books today, freely downloadable form which is available. Today, within 48 hours, what is the judgment which has been delivered? I can go to any court and take a copy, e-form. Any tribunal, I can take a copy I'm telling as a consultant. Come on. See, everything is at the fingertips, it is available. So, criticism is very easy. Very, very easy. Criticism is very, very easy. But working in criticism with a consistent effort is more challenging. Today, we are having a prime minister who is working and making this country to work. And I can very proudly say, when I'm going abroad, I'm able to tell very proudly when I traveled abroad prior to 2014 and after 2014, I'm able to see the feeling of the changes. From entering the airport to seeing the people and meeting the people in different forums of the different parts of the world. Excellent improvement. All these things because of a particular person, individual person, vision, Mr. Narendra Modi ji. So, we can work towards the vision. Here and there, implementation problem, teething problem will be there, but it will be always there on any challenges. But one thing I would like to say very clearly, no child has started walking up without falling down. So any decision taken or any action taken, there will be initially some initial teething problem. Just because of that, we start criticizing, nothing going to happen. And when you want to change the economy, just in 6 years, it will not happen. Just like a switching of the light, I switch off the light, whole light will come. It will never happen. It will take its over a period of time, and it will happen only through our collective effort. Believe we Indian, we can be the best in the world. Thank you, Mr. Bharat. Thank you for the
Thank you,
opportunity.
sir.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.